Death. That's what I've been surrounded by for who knows how long. Weeks, months, with the Grim Reaper my only companion. The only things that couldn't seem to die were the zombies. I've had to fight. Every day I looked for just one other survivor. Just so I wouldn't have to be alone. But the survivor I did find was not what I was expecting.
Wait, I'm not a zombie.
Then who are you?
I'm Sebastian. I'm a survivor. Like you. Jeez, I just figured us survivors gotta stick together. What?
Look, buddy, I don't know how to tell you this, but how to survive the zombie apocalypse. Subscribe on Webtoon to read more. I don't get paid enough for this. A zombie! See you next time! Ah!